How to apply for Grab driver. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can apply for Grab driver. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to apply as a Grab driver, for this what we will do is we will download the Grab driver application available on both Play Store and App Store. Simply launch the Grab driver app and this is the interface you will see. Then you can choose to sign up or log in with. So you can simply choose your Google account right here. And then you can go ahead and select your Google account to log in using your Grab driver account. It'll ask us and give us a registration form. So you have to fill out this form according to your legal details. Enter the first name, last name, the phone number, and the city that you live in or the one that you want to deliver or drive on. Then enter a referral code, agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on next. It will also ask you for a couple of other details, like for example, if you have got a vehicle license or a driver's license, and if you've got a vehicle yourself, if you have insurance set up for that vehicle, and so on. But to give you an idea, this is a couple of ways on how you can apply for Grab driver. If this video helped you, do leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.